In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Filter by Zapier. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily filter the data you need for your automated workflows. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Zapier's website. If you're not familiar, Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your apps and automates workflows known as Zaps to make your life easier. So once you're on the site, look to the top right corner and click on the login button. It's quite straightforward. If you're a new user, you might need to sign up first, but if you already have an account, just use your Google account to log in for a quick and secure entry. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here you will see a Create button. This is the gateway to building your new Zap. Click on it to begin the process. After that, you'll need to click on Zaps to start configuring your workflow. Next, we need a trigger to start your Zap. For this example, let's work with Gmail. Triggers are events that will initiate your Zap. Click on Trigger and then select Gmail. Gmail is a popular choice for many tasks, and choosing it is as easy as it sounds. With Gmail set as your trigger, it's time to choose an event. Click on the event list and select New Email. This means the trigger will fire anytime a new email arrives. Now, this is where the filter comes in. Type filter into the search bar and then click on Filter from the results. Filters are conditions that dictate whether or not your Zap should proceed. They ensure that your automation flow only continues if certain conditions are met. You'll need to choose a field for your filter next. Click on Choose Field and scroll down until you find From Name. Selecting this means that your filter will look for specific names in the From field of your emails. Now that you have the field, you'll need to set a condition. Click on Choose Condition and scroll to find Exists. By choosing Exists, you're ensuring that the filter is triggered whenever there's a name present in the From field, a common requirement for organization or specific actions. Finally, don't forget to hit Publish. Publishing your Zap ensures that it becomes active and starts automating the task as soon as your trigger conditions are met. It's the last step in making your workflow live and ready to execute. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a filter in Zapier. Remember, filters can be tailored to fit a variety of needs, so experiment with different conditions and fields to streamline your workflows even further. Thanks for watching and happy automating.